Now, say I want to print out my name is Benjamin, like we have here, 5 times. Well, I guess the obvious way right now would just be to copy and paste it 5 times. It's a little tedious, but to be honest, I don't really like it. But we're just gonna do what we need to do. So now we've printed all of that out, and we can see here my name is Ben has indeed been printed out 5 different times. Why? I don't know. Maybe Ben just met 5 different people and he wants to say hi to all of them with his name. Now, let's say our guy Ben is actually, getting ready for a formal event. And if he goes to a formal event, he doesn't want to introduce himself as Ben. No, that's too casual. He wants to introduce himself as Benjamin, his full name. So now we're just gonna have to go through and copy paste Benjamin instead of Ben into every instance of when we wrote my name is Ben instead of my name is Benjamin, which if it's this tedious now, imagine how tedious it's gonna be, or how hard it's gonna be when you're writing code that is 500 lines long instead of 5 lines long. Now, let's run it, and oh no! We made a typo! We wrote Benjamin, I guess, instead of Benjamin, like he wanted to. He can't introduce himself to people with the wrong name. No! Now we have to go back and then edit back all of the typos. And do you see why this isn't fun? Well, you probably do. That's why in Python there is something called a variable. Now, variables are basically keywords used to save values. Now, I'm sure this explanation isn't very descriptive, so let's try using a variable to tackle this my name is Benjamin problem. Now, instead of printing my name is Ben every single time, we can declare a variable. And the way we do that is by writing whatever keyword we want to use. So say we want to call it name. We can set that equal to this string right here. My name is Benjamin. Oh, my bad. You should also be careful in Python if your string is not green on onlinepython.com. Don't trust that string. Make sure you have double quotes both at the start and at the end. Don't take any risks, guys. Anyway, now instead of printing my name is Benjamin, like we have in this string up here, we can just print name instead. Now, instead of printing my name is Benjamin, excuse me, I just sneezed. Now, instead of printing my name is Benjamin individually 5 different times, we can just print the variable name 5 different times. And when we run that, you'll see that we do get my name is Benjamin. Let me actually comment out this my name is Prosy. But we do get my name is Benjamin. And if Ben decides he wants to go to a casual arrangement instead of a formal one, he can go back to introducing himself by Ben, and we don't have to do all that work editing each and every single one of these print statements. Instead, all we have to do is get rid of the Jamin part from right over here, and we are golden. That is a variable in Python.